Yes. Did I what? No? I thought to. He crashed. He crashed that time. Oh, tên khắc nghiệt. Look at me. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Look.
Jump like stuff.
You can see the falls over there. I mean the river. Not even in hiking attire, I'm in a dress. The main issue is climbing up for me because I hate that part. I'm gonna take the risk. Oh, okay. I think it's shut down. Yeah, it's shut down, yeah. Yeah, I mean, can't walk there.
Climbing the gear to different fire. That looks scary.
Yeah.
One train instructor should be there.
Okay, we're not gonna go there. I think the one where Papa went with the child. That bridge was a flop. But it's fine. We get to see the falls.